Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bonds are of two types, O-glycosidic bond or N-glycosidic bond. When the bond formed between the two hydroxyl group, the bond is O-glycosidic bond because the water molecule will be released and the oxygen will be in between. And in case of N-glycosidic bond, it is formed between the amine group and the hydroxyl group and the bond having the N group in between. So we'll start with the O-glycosidic bond. The two monomers linked with the help of glycosidic bond. Maltose is a disaccharide and it is made up of two glucose molecule. So 2D-glucose are linked with the glycosidic bond, O-glycosidic bond. So this is the structure of glucose, HOH, HOH. This is your first anomeric carbon, OH, H, H, OH, CH2, OH, H. So on third carbon, hydroxyl group is on the top side. So that is your D-glucose, and hydroxyl group is on the downside, that is known as alpha D-glucose. And if it is on upside, that is known as beta D-glucose. This is your first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this one is your sixth carbon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is your sixth carbon. So the bond is formed between first and the fourth carbon hydroxyl group. So here the water molecule will be released and the bond is formed is known as alpha glycosidic bond. Alpha glycosidic bond means when the hydroxyl group are in the same plane, because in this case the hydroxyl group are both on the downside. This is the bond. So this is your alpha O-glycosidic bond. So lactose is made up of two sugars, galactose and glucose, and the galactose should be beta galactose. It should be beta. Beta means hydroxyl group is on the top side, H, OH, and on the third and the fourth, OH is on the top side in the case of galactose. So this is your beta galactose. Glucose can be alpha or beta, it doesn't matter. So in this case, the hydroxyl group is in the different plane. In case of lactose, the glycosidic bond is beta 1,4. The water molecule will be released from here and the bond is formed is known as beta 1,4 because the fourth carbon is here and this is the first carbon. So when the bond is formed between 1 and 4 and the hydroxyl group are on the different plane, the bond is known as beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. So the lactose is formed So beta 1,4 glycosidic bond is formed between these two. The product is lactose. For N-glycosidic bond, this is present in case of nucleic acid. In case of nucleoside, nucleoside means the base sugar. So in case of nucleoside, the bond is formed between the hydroxyl group of the sugar and the amino group of the base. So base can be purine or pyrimidine. I am giving you the example of uracil. It is a nitrogenous base, NH, NH. Here is a double bond O, double bond O. So this is your, and it reacts with the ribose sugar. The bond is formed is known as N-glycosidic bond. This is uridine. So N-glycosidic bond is formed between the uracil base and sugar, where the amine group reacts with the hydroxyl group of the sugar and they form the water molecule will be released and the N is involved in the bonding. That's why it is known as N-glycosidic bond. And this is the uracil molecule, this is the ribose sugar, and they form the bond that is known as N-glycosidic bond. That is all about glycosidic bond. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Please comment and subscribe my channel if you like it. And if you have any question, please send me via my email tripsh11@gmail.com. My email address is on my front page. Thank you. Bye.